Hey guys, so Ulefone unveiled the Armor 26 Ultra at the CES 2024 event in Las Vegas. The Armor 26 Ultra is expected to succeed the Armor 23 Ultra, and of course Ulefone unveiled the Ulefone Armor 25 Pro alongside the Armor 26 Ultra. So these two rugged phones would succeed the Armor 23 Ultra. In this video, we'll explore some of the top features of the Armor 26 Ultra. So without further ado, let's dig in. So the Armor 26 Ultra would feature a really nice rugged design. At the back of the phone is an octagonal shaped camera module that houses 4 cameras, dual LED flash, IR emitters, and on the center is a speaker grill. The device comes with a walkie-talkie, and it also features a satellite messaging function as well. So this, just like the Armor 23 Ultra, would support two-way satellite messaging. Even if the Armor 25 Pro doesn't turn out to be a 5G rugged phone, the Armor 26 Ultra would definitely be a 5G rugged phone. The Armor 23 Ultra, like I mentioned earlier, pack quad rear cameras. The primary sensor is 200 MP, and I'm expecting it to be the Samsung HP3. I'm expecting the device to also feature a night vision camera. So these are some of the features that I can tell you guys in this video. If you want to get more details, use the link in the video description. But the Armor 26 Ultra and the Armor 25 Pro are coming very soon. We will see both devices this year definitely, and I'm expecting them to be better than the Armor 23 Ultra. Anyway, what are your thoughts about these new rugged phones from Ulefone? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.